What's going on? Welcome back to another episode Fishing for Trophies. Today it is Friday, 4 in the morning, heading down to Aransas Pass, Port Aransas, to see if we can catch some flounder, red drum, or some speckled trout. Y'all stay tuned. Hopefully big fish coming soon. Thanks for watching. This is one of my go-to spots right here in Aransas Pass. Gonna back it up right here and fish this little channel. Had some pretty good luck here in the past. Personal best, big uglies. All right, so I just got out here. It's like 6:10 in the morning here in Aransas Pass. I'm gonna be fishing that area right here. We got Port Aransas over there. So gonna get everything ready, chunk out some shrimp, chunk out some mullet, and see if we can catch some flounder, big uglies, and some redfish. Let's go. All right, so just chunked the cast net out there, and this is what we want, but we want a little bit smaller. But I'm gonna use this as cut bait anyways. I'm gonna throw the cast net some more and see what else I can get. All right, we got one more. We're gonna roll with it, cut it up, because I definitely want to throw some rattle traps out here and some top water in the morning time. First cast of the day. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There we go. Hopefully it's still on there. What is it? Come on, redfish. Okay. It's either a drum, a big ugly, or a redfish. I'm gonna tire it out since I don't have anybody to help. Oh, what is that? Come on, guy. Tighten up the drag real quick. Gonna walk it back. He probably still has a lot of fight in it, whatever it is. I think it's a redfish. That's a big ugly, I think. There it is. Come on, guy. bring my fish grips. Oh, what's up, buddy? Nice. Gonna put my pole up so I can get them untangled. That one's off the cut mullet. Wasn't even in the water. 10 minutes. Okay, let's get the release of this beast. You good? I don't know how big he is, but I didn't want to keep him out of the water too long. There he goes. See you later. Wasn't even here 15 minutes and my line was already about to touch the water, so got the lines out there again, gonna throw some top water and hopefully I don't miss the bite. Let's go. You gonna take it? I thought something was biting on that one. Maybe not. Got something, but I don't think it's anything special. Because it wasn't pulling anything, it was just, I thought it was a hardhead. It could be a giant hardhead. What is it? Oh, nice. It's a big ass beep. Come on, little buddy. Come on, buddy. Oh, he mad. I just don't got no net. Come on, buddy. It's a nice red right there, too. Sweet. Check them out. Off the mullet again. Circle hook. pliers. Okay. Oh, he slapped me in the face. Let's go measure this guy. All right, let's see how big he is. Well, he's at least 37. We're gonna go ahead and keep this guy. We're gonna put a tag on him, and since it's the end of the year, and I don't really keep bull reds, but I got the tag, so might as well use it. All right, check him out. Before I let him go, I was actually gonna keep him, but I got fish in the fridge, so he gets to see another day. Woo. What a beauty. Almost kept you. Let's see if he'll swim off now. There you go. Swim on, buddy. I'll see you next time. All right, cut mullet, drum, and redfish. Now I just need the flounder. But overall, pretty good day. I'm gonna stay out here maybe an hour, another 2 hours, and head back to San Antonio. All right, so let me give you the breakdown on how I'm catching these. Most of y'all already know. So I'm using mullet, any size really. I'm gonna cut them up. This one's good also for cut bait. And let me show you what I do. So that's how I chop them up. Big bait, big fish, like I'm fishing on the surf. I use a size 6 circle hook and a size 7, whichever I have with me at the time. And let me show you my setup. It's the basic setup that everybody uses. Some people make their own leaders, but I happen to have some from Walmart, which are working out pretty good. So I got a size 6 up here, got a size 7 down there. That's just what I had in my tackle box right now. Poke it in one side, out the other. If you ever bait your bait and you see a fish scale at the end, you have to take that off or you're gonna lose the fish. It's not gonna hook right. Even though there's no current here, I like my bait to stay in one place. So got to use a 3-ounce spider weight. Some people use other weights, but this is what I prefer. Walk out a little bit and chunk it. I like to chunk it right in the middle, right there. All right, let's see what happens. All right, so it's like 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm done for the day. I'm pretty satisfied on how things went today. Got me 2 trophies, but they're back in the water, swimming around, having fun. Gonna head back to San Antonio so I get there at a good time. Until next time, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video coming soon.